I have lots of things planned, so I thought I would take you guys along. I am going to start up my garden again, and I had a garden last year. I don't know if I talked about that yet, but I have a garden and I'm gonna go ahead and start that again for this year. So I have to go to Target, I have to go a little bit of shopping, and let me tell you, I have not really been trying to shop because you gotta mask up, you gotta be careful, you gotta be 6 feet away from other people, and social distancing, you know, trying to stay safe can get kind of complicated. But I'm gonna go out there today. I figure if I go really early, like at maybe like 7:50, 8 o'clock, it'll be few of us there and I don't have to worry about, you know, just a lot of people being there, it being crowded and being in an unsafe situation. So, but I will be honest with you, like every time I go out for a little drive or a little bike ride, and if I go past Target, Target is like the new social hangout. It is packed all the time. So I'm kind of like, I think people are socializing in there. They better not be getting Starbucks coffee, because right now we can't get Starbucks coffee right now. But I do hear that in some places, if the Starbucks is like inside a store or something like that, you can get it. And we usually have Starbucks in our Target, and they better not be getting Starbucks coffee, hanging out and chatting with their friends. So I'm gonna go this morning, get my stuff, and I'm gonna ask some questions. Hey you guys, real quick, this little homey little outfit that I have on right now is not gonna get it. I cannot look like this going to the store, so I know I can do better than this, so I'm gonna go ahead and do better than this. Home now and back in my comfy clothes. I had a very successful shop. I want to show you some of the items that I got. Cilantro, and this is the basil. I have taken a couple of these little cuties out because I don't know, I'm gonna try to put them in the garden. I've been planting everything, putting them in the raised garden, but really I feel like the cilantro is so delicate. Cilantro, they say it needs a lot of shade, kind of like a little sun, a little shade. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this one. But the basil is supposedly supposed to get about 6+ hours of sun, and I had it out here in this little planter for a little while and it started getting brown, so I had to pluck off some of the leaves. So I'm kind of like, is it too much sun for the basil? So I don't know, but I'm gonna go ahead and plant this one. There is the basil, planted nicely. You see how it's not looking so well? Hopefully it perks up. Time to water the garden. Hey, where's the... Charlie, did you do that? So the cat decided to bend the hose, make it difficult for me.
Sound production. Sound production.
As you guys could see, I did a lot of gardening. I had to get the gardening straight. I had to water, I had to start some seedlings, and that took a lot of my energy. I also had a project that I had to do that I didn't show you guys, but it was very important that I get it done for school, and it was important that I did it quickly. So now I am starving. I'm gonna get some food ready to eat. Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and let the food simmer. It's gonna simmer for maybe about half an hour. It's gonna take a little while for me to eat, so I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I wasn't able to get around to finishing my jewelry organization. Why? Because gardening took quite a bit of my day. I just showed you guys a little bit of it, but getting the garden ready, getting the soil ready, just getting everything set up, just even to film, took some time. So I'm just gonna take it easy, and I will show you guys a jewelry organization in the next video. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hope you're staying at home and you're nice and safe, and I'll see you next time.